Aston University, established in 1895, is located in Birmingham, one of the UK's most vibrant cities. Consistently ranking among the top universities in the UK, Aston is globally recognised for its emphasis on real-world applications of knowledge and commitment to career outcomes. Aston University hosts the award-winning Aston Business School, one of the elite 1% of business schools worldwide with triple accreditation. With a diverse array of undergraduate programs, Aston ensures it caters to a wide range of interests and goals. For postgraduate students, Aston offers cutting-edge programs designed specifically to elevate career prospects. Aston University offers intakes in September, with select programs also available in January and May. An application can be submitted directly through the UCAS system for UG programs and Aston's online application portal for PG programs, with the required documents. Through us, eligible students can receive offer letters within 24 hours, along with personalized end-to-end guidance throughout the journey. International applicants must demonstrate English language proficiency through recognized tests such as IELTS or TOEFL IBEAT. In some cases, Aston provides an English language test waiver or accepts a medium of instruction (MOI) letter from previous institutions as evidence of English proficiency. Tuition fees at Aston University differ based on the program, level of study, and chosen discipline. A wide range of scholarships is also available, including merit-based, region-specific, and course-specific awards, to support international students. Aston University offers a vibrant campus experience with modern facilities, 24/7 student support, and comfortable on-campus accommodation. Located in the heart of Birmingham, students enjoy easy access to a dynamic city full of culture, events, and career opportunities. Whether you're starting your undergraduate experience, aspiring to do postgraduate studies, or just seeking a route for career development, Aston University will inspire, challenge, and motivate you towards a promising and successful career.